Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're looking to upgrade your grooming game, you've come to the right place. Today we're reviewing the Andis 560980 Limited Edition Galaxy Envy LE Cordless Clipper and Slimline Pro Cordless Beard Trimmer Combo Hair Cutting Kit. Whether you're styling your own hair at home or looking to enhance your professional kit, this combo promises precision and comfort. Let's dive in. The Andis 560980 Combo Kit comes with a cordless clipper and a slimline trimmer, both featuring a sleek, limited edition Galaxy color design. The clipper is equipped with a carbon steel blade that adjusts 0 to 1, allowing you to achieve perfect tapers and smooth fades. Plus, you can zero gap it for razor-sharp lines. The slimline trimmer, designed for detail work, offers the same quality performance with a comfortable ergonomic grip. Both tools are powered by lithium-ion batteries, offering up to 2 hours of runtime, or you can plug them in for continuous use. In terms of usability, the Andis 560980 combo is solid. Both tools are lightweight and designed for comfort, making them great for both professionals and home users. The clipper cuts through hair smoothly, even when zero-gapped, while the trimmer delivers precise lines, perfect for detailing beards or hairlines. The lithium-ion batteries charge quickly and provide ample usage time. But I do want to mention that the clipper is a bit bulkier compared to others, which might be a bit awkward if you have smaller hands. Still, the ergonomic design makes it manageable. Now let's break it down with the pros and cons. Pros: carbon steel blades that stay sharp and allow for precision cuts. Adjustable blade lever from 0 to 1 for versatile styles. 2-hour battery life with the option for corded use. Ergonomically designed for comfort, especially for medium-sized hands. Limited edition Galaxy color adds a stylish touch. Trusted by professionals in salons and barbershops. Cons: the clipper is bulkier than some other options, which may not be ideal for smaller hands. While the battery life is impressive, it might be a little longer than needed for casual home users, making it less of an issue for professionals. Might not be as ideal for heavy-duty use compared to higher-end professional models. In terms of value for money, I think the Andis 560980 Combo Kit offers a solid balance of performance, durability, and style, especially considering it's used by professionals. It's a great option if you're after precision and versatility without stepping up to the most expensive models out there. If you're comparing it to other clippers in this price range, the Andis 560980 stands out for its sharp, adjustable blades, but it does fall slightly short in terms of portability due to its bulk. The Wall Professional 5-Star Magic Clip is another great option, but it's lighter and more compact, though it lacks some of the versatility in blade adjustment. Now, let's talk about build quality. The Andis 560980 is crafted with premium materials that feel durable in your hands. The clippers have a sturdy, solid feel, and the trimmer is lightweight, but still feels like it could last a while. The lithium-ion batteries are reliable and charge relatively quickly, keeping you powered through long sessions. In terms of customer support, Andis is a reputable brand in the industry, known for quality products and reliable service. While I haven't personally needed to contact them for this specific product, their overall reputation in the professional grooming world speaks volumes about their commitment to customer satisfaction. If you're looking for alternatives, the Wall 5-Star Cordless Senior is a good option for those who prioritize more compact, lightweight tools, though it may lack the adjustable blade versatility of the Andis. To wrap it up, the Andis 560980 Limited Edition Galaxy Envy LE Cordless Clipper and Slimline Pro Cordless Beard Trimmer Combo Hair Cutting Kit is an excellent choice for anyone looking to step up their hair grooming game, whether at home or in a professional setting. It offers precision, comfort, and impressive battery life at a fair price. Just keep in mind that the clipper might not be the best fit for those with smaller hands or those looking for something more lightweight. If this review was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so that other grooming enthusiasts can find this video. Your support means a lot. Thank you so much for watching Beautyistic. The link to get your hands on this product will be in the comments below. If you already own this kit, feel free to share your thoughts or ask any questions. Until next time, stay sharp and keep styling with Beautyistic.